How do we all feel about seasonal depression? Yeah. Okay. Well, you're going to love this song. It's about seasonal depression. And it's not about wallowing in your sorrows, though. It's about taking a hint from nature's ability to die and come back to life in so many ways. And sometimes we have to do a little bit of that ourselves, too. And that's okay. The song's called The Winter Waltz.
Yes.
That's a fine cup of tea. Crept to bury the dead, and withered the gardens that I'd sown in my head. And it all starts anew, but a bitter reminder. Left behind her, and now the blanket's falling, the ease is yet to sink in, and there's no crackling fire, no lover to admire. Just keeps on